डेप्युटी CM and TCP मिनिस्टरान ऑर्डर काढलेली आसा on this issue illegal structure. Your say on this now?
I've just received a copy of the order. Let me have a look at it properly. Let me study it properly. अजूनपर्यंत गिमिक्स आसा गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो पळय त्यो अश्योच आसता. Maybe this might be one of the gimmicks. If I have to read in between lines, the ultimate order that we are expecting is demolition order. आता ही जी ऑर्डर दिल्या पळय इट ओनली रिवोक्स द परमिशन. टेक्निकल सँक्शन जे दिल्ले ते रिवोक केला म्हटलं. If I have to read in between lines, this means it is only going to maintain a status quo, which means no more construction can proceed on the site. What about the construction which is already existing on site, जे already construct झाला पाहिजे? Until some concrete decision is taken, concrete order or some form of a document is issued by the government or the authorities or the panchayat asking for this demolition, I think the process may not be complete. So we'll have to study this part of it, wait till tomorrow and see what is the consequence. See, ultimately, yeah, this could be one of the election gimmick to push it after election and Magir says, oh, they have got into legal battles, we are defending this order and all that. हे आमकां नाका. आमी हांगा बसल्या ज्या कारणाक आसा पळय ते कारण प्रॉबब्ली या ऑर्डरींतल्यान सॅटिस्फाय जाता हे हांव आतां तुका सांगूंक शकना. लेट मी हॅव अ लूक एट इट कम्प्लिटली. लेट अस फायंड आउट what are the intentions of TCP, whether they'll go in for demolition order. Panchayat consequently has to issue a demolition order because there is no existing license which is valid license. So ho process पोळ्या कितें करता तो.
Till then what happens to your strike?
I continue till tomorrow at least and find out what is happening. I don't want to take a hasty decision. I don't trust this government anymore. आज आमचो TCP मिनिस्टर म्हणटा की हे सगळे फ्रॉड, हे सगळे जाल्ले ते फ्रॉड जाल्ले म्हणून आनी फ्रॉडांनी परमिशनां घेतिल्ली म्हणून. जाल्यार इतलो तेंप कितें जाल्लें हें कळपाक. प्रश्न आज लोकांक हो पडला की इतलो तेंप तुमी खंय आशिल्ले, इतलो तेंप तुमकां फ्रॉड कित्याक दिसूंक नाशिल्ले. 8 म्हयने जेन्ना प्रोसेस चालू आशिल्लो, फाटले 2 म्हयने जेन्ना लोक मेमोरेंडम करताले, हांगा येवन बसताले, तुमकां वेन आय स्टार्टेड इनडेफिनेट फास्ट, दॅट टायम यू रियलायज दॅट इट्स अ फ्रॉड. Something good to think about because I think I started the trend of Goans now questioning the government. But खंय तरी एक सरकाराकूय दिसपाक जाय की आमी करता ते wrong म्हणून. And it's not necessary that a citizen takes drastic steps to reach to this level that you are taking some action in the matter. आता जी ॲक्शन घेतल्या पळय ती कितली रियलिस्टीक आसा ती जर कळपाक जाय जाल्यार फालचो दीस वचूनी, then we will decide what is to be done. But ultimate decision which we are expecting is a consequential demolition order. आणि जर ह्या ऑर्डरींतल्यान ते डेमोलिशन ऑर्डर जर भायर सरपाची ना जाल्यार I think then it is not satisfactory. I think nobody is going to be satisfied.
And then take your decision.
We'll study the order, we'll take a decision. I believe that this order means further demolition order has to come because the existing structure asa. Today, as per this order, you are revoking the license म्हणल्यार as construction stop जातले. What about the structure which is already there? It has to be raised to the ground, and that's the ultimate object of this particular movement that was started. I have joined in with the fast to expedite it, and whatever that has come, yes, it has come. But yes, we'll study and we'll take a call by tomorrow.